Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood. Topic is global corruption. Global corruptions are increasing due to disturbance in global system caused by disobeying Allah. There are many references in the Quran as well as in modern history. But here I like to mention only few. See the talks of, for example, see the dogs in the Western country. How disciplined are they and not barking at each other compared to third world. Just as a test, do one thing. Get 100 dogs and put them on full hunger and thirst for 48 hours. And then just give one small piece of meat, which is not enough for even a single dog. For sure, you will see that they start barking and fighting each other. Same is true when global people become greedy. Few people get some and rest get nothing. Because of that, corruption starts there. Now you have already started hearing corruption here and there all around the world. There is only one solution to come towards global humanity, stabilize global world. Global system must needs to be changed to serve humanity. Now it is the real emergency to fix global system. Scholars from all around need to join together and work together and prepare a plan, present a plan to fix global system. Before the global system gets stabilized, everyone needs to work as a team to help each other. If Allah has given you wealth, help the needy from your wealth. If Allah has given you good health, sincerely help those who need assistance. If Allah has given you strength, sincerely help those who are weak. If Allah has given you good knowledge, sincerely educate others for free. Similarly, if one region is rich in minerals, then others could be rich in oil or gas or food or even manpower. Global system must be balanced by sharing all these resources in a balanced way. Otherwise, more and more disaster may come in the shape of poverty, and innocent people may not have any options to come to street since they cannot see that infants, children crying for milk, food, and other basic needs. Avoid loans, avoid waste, and stop greediness as much as possible, keeping in mind how much is too much to help stabilize global world. It is time now to open our eyes and correct ourselves to serve humanity. Allah never destroys any good nation. Do not turn people out of their home. Saving a life is like save whole world. There is no compulsion in religion. We all need to help as much as we can to build global world for better future of our kids. Only then we can hope that our kids will have good fruits of it and will pray for us. Educate yourself, including your children, and keep your knowledge up to date according to modern time as much as possible without wasting a single minute. If you have good knowledge, you must teach others to share with others for free if possible. If you lend unto Allah a goodly loan, He will multiply for you and forgive you, and Allah is the best multiplier and forbearing. Charities are only for those who are poor and needy, and the officials appointed for them, and those whose hearts are made to incline to truth, including those who are confined in the way of Allah, and the ransom of captives and those in debt, including students, and in the way of Allah and behavior, and ordinance from Allah. Allah is knowing wise. Think of old time 10 organization in which 1,000 of employees working in each organization. Then came industrialization and heavy machinery and robots took places of human. Naturally, many of workers got laid off and are off the jobs. Initially, these businesses thought that they will save a lots of money by laying off those workers, but did not realize that those were also customers of other industries as well. But due to layoff, they don't have enough money now to buy. So in reality, those businesses lost their customers as well by laying off their employees. This is just an example. We start understanding the consequences, which could be much better if we think about saving humanity. Yes, industrialization and robotics are good, very good, but we need to start thinking differently to save humanity, to build whole new world, heavenly earth. There could be many projects we can collectively initiate at global level to provide those layoff workers. Remember, layoff means more poverty and more crime. Unless employer must have been provided to lay off people's guaranteed alternative option for their survival. Services cut down at hospitals means danger to our health. Services cut down at fire station and police station means our life security is in more danger. People do not have any plant tree which grows money in their backyard. Money is not a concern at global recovery, but it is a global system which need to be fixed. We have to think differently. Whole new world, whole new view, whole new direction. It is not the wealth, gold, silver, or power which could save global world from globalization. Allah sees Qarun, Pharaoh, Haman, and many more for their crime against humanity, and nothing could save them, including their wealth, power, people, strength. World didn't end there, but even without their wealth and power, it had redeveloped. Locally, I am sorry, but globally, yes, we can recover global world with 100% guarantee upon full support from global people. I invite you all to join this noble mission and invite others to join it to save humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. It will be great global charities to save global humanity, and Allah will give great reward, inshallah. Thinking locally while living in global world will not save our global world. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of a nation or global world. Do not even think to try to reappoint those who have failed to protect the corruption in the land. Neither I am a singer nor a poet, rather an activist for the whole new world. No one can fix the global world alone. Together we will achieve our heavenly goal. No closed door meetings, no hidden secret agenda. World has enough to feed, but not greed. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of nation. Thank you.